Right now he is working on his uphill 3G practice tree-con. Hopefully the goal is after he finishes this practice tree-con, this is his second one, he'll be ready to dive in for the test. And this helps teach them how to tie in, make sure they get good penetration, keeping the bead straight, up and down, and making sure they got a nice profile. And as you see, you're about the center of the plate. So normally you'll make it to about the center or a little bit above the center before you run out of the rod if you tie in correctly. Pretty much the center of the plate, a little above the center. That's pretty much what you're gonna make it as you go up with that root pass. That's good, I'll let you go on there. It's always a good rule of thumb to let it cool down, get the redness out of it before you ship it out, keeping it type of air getting into it, messing up your well. Then you can dive back into it and clean it out and use your rod brush to get it sufficient. Okay. It wasn't bad. We're gonna clean it out and see the rest of how it go. Don't look bad. We're gonna clean it out, fam, and see what we got. See what he did wrong. If he did everything right, we're gonna keep it going. If we got any corrections, we'll dive back into it and correct that. Okay, so this is a good example, fam. So right here, like he started a little too, he was going to this side, he was getting it started, he was rough with the arc. But as he got up to about right here to there, this is perfect. So what I would say, get the grinder and just knock it down here when you get these spots down to get that slag out, and then we can go back and tie it into this one and then tie it to this one. It still can be fixed. But like I say, family, he's trying, he's a beginner. But he did damn good. So it's like the arc was sticking over here and he was trying to come to both sides, but you didn't hesitate long enough. That's all it was. But you caught it right here. From up here, you got it. You was in your mojo. You was in your groove then. So hey, we're gonna dive back into it, family. Hold on.